Switching from an iPhone to a Redmi phone often raises the issue of transferring important text messages. Don't worry, we will explain 4 ways to help you transfer messages from an iPhone to a Redmi phone in this video. Part 1. How to transfer messages from iPhone to Redmi in one click. Coolmuster Mobile Transfer is a very practical mobile data transfer tool that helps you easily transfer SMS, contacts, photos, videos, and other data from your iPhone to a Redmi phone. Step 1. Download and install the tool on your computer. Open the program and connect both your iPhone and Redmi phone to the computer using their USB cables. Ensure the software recognizes both devices. Step 2. Once connected, your iPhone will be set as the source device and the Redmi phone as the target. If not, simply click Flip to switch the devices. Step 3. The program will display a list of files from your iPhone. Select the Text Messages category. After choosing the SMS you wish to transfer, click the Start Copy button. The transfer will begin, moving the SMS from your iPhone to your Redmi. Part 2. How to move messages from iPhone to Redmi via Mi Mover. Mi Mover is a data transfer tool officially launched by Xiaomi, and it supports transferring data from iPhone to Redmi phones. Step 1. Install Mi Mover on both the iPhone from the App Store and Redmi pre-installed or available on the Mi App Store. Step 2. Launch Mi Mover on both the iPhone and Redmi devices. Step 3. On the Redmi phone, tap New, and on the iPhone, select Old. The devices will connect via a personal hotspot. Step 4. Select Messages and other desired data, then tap Send to start the transfer. Part 3. How to send messages from iPhone to Redmi with SMS Backup and Restore. The SMS Backup and Restore app allows you to back up your call logs, as well as an SMS messages currently stored on your phone. It also lets you restore your messages and call logs from an existing backup. Step 1. Download and install the app on both your Redmi phone and iPhone. Once installed, open the app on both devices and proceed to the next step. Step 2. On your iPhone, open the app and tap the backup icon. You'll be prompted to select the files you want to back up. Choose Messages and then tap OK to continue. Step 3. Next, open the SMS Backup and Restore app on your Redmi device and tap Restore. Your messages will be transferred and restored to your new Redmi phone. Part 4. How to transfer messages from iPhone to Redmi using ISMs to Droid. You can also use the ISMs to Droid app to transfer iPhone messages to a Redmi phone. This method is suitable for transferring all messages, including historical ones, but it is a bit more complicated. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB. Open iTunes, click on the iPhone icon, go to Summary, and select Backup Now under Manually Backup and Restore. Step 2. Download and install the ISMs to Droid app on your phone. Step 3. Open the app and tap Import Messages from the main screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Step 4. Choose the SMS backup file that was downloaded to your computer. Then, tap Import All to transfer the messages.